These glasses make me look smart.
No, they make you look like a douchebag. You bitch. She's like, Teddy. Oh my god, I should show the picture. Shouldn't I?
What picture? This one?
The picture you drew me. Where is it? No, where's your card? Oh, I totally just looked right at it. This one. That one.
That's Ryan and Frankie at our house.
And I guess we're flying away on a rocket ship to the moon.
Yeah, we're going to the moon. To the stars and the question mark stars. Yeah. Look at the sky when it's nighttime. There's stars in the shape form of a question mark.
My toe itches. I think I've heard this one.
Kings of Leon. Sex on Fire.
The beach.
Fuzzy navel. How does it
Like,
Anyways.
That's my toothbrush, you douchebag.
What's up with you saying douchebag now?
Douchebag.
Douchebag.
Douche. It's like skadoosh.
Mustache. Your mustache upside down.
Poked me. Ow. I got an itch.
Is this? Ew. Look, it says Love Melissa. What's up, lounge at Dawn Hill? Love Melissa. Ow. That's my vagina. It's my vagina.
Bitch, you ain't got no vagina. My Teddy don't like you.
I'll cut you. Cut you, bitch.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what.
Shove this up your asshole.
What are you gonna do when I kill you, bitch? You're not my friend anymore. No. I don't even think. I didn't trust you with scissors. God. Give me another soda.
No, I don't know if we have.
I'll just look it up. Oh, stupid Spider-Man! I never liked you.
Well, that's interesting. He's just like,
How cool is that? Did you see that?
no, it's about as cool as Albert Einstein.
He's pretty cool, dude.
I'm fixing your hair.
Bitch.
I don't think I hit puberty yet.
Sorry.
Wait, I gotta pull that hair. It's like bothering me. Can I see my glasses?
Ow! You're a bitch.
You're a bitch. Stop sipping haterade, brah.
Alright. From San Diego. California.
Ow, my eye just twitched.
Do you know that means that you're tired when you twitch your eye? When your eye twitches? Yeah.
I was in math today, and my hand was like, "Rah!" and it started twitching on me. I was so scared.
It was like, what?
It was like, "Rah!" Like I looked down, I was like,
How
"Oh my
did
god,
that go again?
shut up! Don't make fun of me. It's my birthday. I'll burn you if you make fun of me."
Alright.
Silly nigger.
Totally ruined your thing. Ow! God.
I wonder if this works. It didn't even hurt.
Ow! Bitch! Bitch! Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Anyway, so guess what?
What? Chicken butt.
Thomas Barra, aka Yogi.
What was that? Yogi.
Yogi, I guess that's his name. Anyway, guess what?
What?
He's really kind of hot, and I bang that.
I know this is itching. I'm sorry.
I think Anthony's jealous.
Jesus is jealous.
I think Justin would be jealous if I banged Anthony because Justin wants to get with Anthony, but Anthony doesn't want to get with Justin. But
I
Justin,
feel like tacos.
Justin wants to get with Anthony more than he wants to get with me, and Anthony wants to get with me more than he wants to get with Justin. So I was like, why don't we just have a threesome?
Damn!
Ow! But I'd rather do Thomas. Ah! Ow! That's my vagina!
Oh, that's my
I need
bracelet.
that! Ah! You're so abusive! That better have hurt. Ah! Bitch! Oh, snap your head off, bitch! Break. That's what Kevy Bear does.
He's like, peace and love, peace and love. It's like, my shoulder hurts.
Why?
I got punched 15 times today.
By Josh.
Joshua, that Jew.
Josh told Allison, no, not Allison. Right, that's her name? That his last name was really Jukebox. I was like, no, it's Smith. Joshua Smith. That is the most boringest last name. It's not Jukebox.
It's Jew.
You're a Jew.
No, I'm not. I'm not Hitler. I don't burn Jews.
Thomas Bear is a Jew.
He's real. Is he really?
No, I don't know. I don't ask him these things. Thomas, are you a Jew? I don't know. Camera can't answer me. I don't even know if he's gonna watch this. Hopefully he doesn't. Anyway.
Be like, peace and love, bro. Peace and love. Oh, you broke my heart. Hello, I'm waiting for you to finish my damn heart. Thank you.
Ow! I'm never gonna knuckle touch you.
Knuckle touch
You'd
me?
be like, bam! Like, punch me in the freaking knuckles, man. Make my knuckles bleed. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Give me my damn phone!
You just touched my vagina hole.
Where's my phone?
You mean
I like this song.
this phone?
Yeah.
No, you're not allowed to have it.
No, you're not my friend anymore.
I couldn't get it in my bra.
I want my card back. You're not my friend anymore.
Oh, I'm not your friend anymore.
Yeah, bitch.
Here you go. Ah!
You turned it off! You turned it off!
Who's in the door? What?
Open this door right now.
Oh shit.